Ladies and gentlemen, today we're trying out the world's strongest underwater scooters. Branson, I'm coming, brother. Okay. Today we're going to be using one of the world's fastest electronic scooters to dive down, find lobsters, and spear fish for dinner. If you guys haven't seen the start of our series, for the past 72 hours, we've been living on this fully off-grid, fully sustainable island. And today is our last day. So, figured we'd crank up the fully electric scooters, pretty fitting for the fully electric generated house, and see if we can have a little cheat code for dinner tonight. The beginning of the fun with these SeaNXT scooters isn't starting today. To be honest, it actually started about 2 days before our 72-hour challenge. I went to Blue HQ to pick these bad boys up and then met up with a good friend to try to test them out. Just like a kid with a brand new toy, I couldn't resist using it, even if that meant battling the thunderstorms. Feels like SeaWorld when you're riding the dolphins. You know what I'm talking about? I never did it, but I can just imagine it's what it's like. You know what I'm saying? We have went through trials and tribulations, through thunderstorms, through shark ponds, to make it here for this very moment, to finally have a little bit of decent weather. And we're officially about to test this thing on one of the most beautiful reefs called Sombrero Reef that we actually scoped out with a helicopter in yesterday's video. And not only are we about to go see some beautiful reefs, we're gonna grab the spear guns, we're gonna grab the old lobster nets, and we're gonna try to get dinner for our 72-hour challenge. It's our final day, and we need a feast for the final meal. I always feel like Deadliest Catch when they do that. You know, I'm like, I got the crab pot, sir. There we go. We're good. We're all hooked up.
Look at that.
We're at the reef. Woo!